are CDs rewritable? How can you unetch something that's been etched?
Most of the time when I'm talking about solids, I'm referring to crystalline solids. These type of solids have a repetitive arrangement of the atoms into something we call the crystal lattice. When you look at the atoms sitting inside of the solid, you see them repeating the same geometry over and over again, and the smallest portion of the crystal before it repeats is called the unit cell. Now, there's another type of solid called an amorphous solid, and the atoms inside an amorphous solid are not locked into this repeating pattern, so there's no defined geometry, and they cannot be reduced down to a single unit cell. The part of a rewritable CD that makes it rewritable is made of an alloy that is an amorphous solid. Below a certain temperature, the atoms in this solid are arranged in a crystalline fashion, and the etches are making slight changes to the geometry, and that's what's being read. If you heat the material up, eventually it will transform into this amorphous state. So the writing laser is used to heat the CD up beyond this point. Once it's in this amorphous state, the previous etches can no longer be found because the geometry of the crystal has been removed entirely. Then the CD will be cooled, returning to its original geometry, and it's ready to be rewritten.